Hi folks, hope you're having a great day. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today, right now, we're looking at some spinach. Okay, I tried these spinach. I don't know if I uploaded a video on the previous attempt or not, but they sprouted and then they died. Okay? And this is the understory test. But what you're looking at here is they are sprouting, or they have sprouted, and now they're coming to adolescence. They haven't died. And you're probably going, oh, well, why? Well, I'll tell you why, and you can see it in the video. I think it's because we mulched this time around, and the mulch helps prolong the moisture in the topsoil, the very top layer of the soil. And this is just sand, the sugar sand, Florida sugar sand. So no nutrients have been added here. The only thing is there's quite possibly some nutrients coming from the slow, steady decay of the mulch. But this is fresh mulch. I mean, I literally just made this and produced it with a Sunjoe mulcher. And all this is here is, you see them sable palms over there? I took the dry branches and shoved them into the Sunjoe and produced some fine mulch with that. And that's all this is sable palm mulch, essentially. So this is just one big experiment. I wanted to compare and contrast the results, and we're getting a massive difference right now as far as survivability when it comes to going with mulch here to without mulch, which was, I think, in the previous example. Anyhow, don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out tremendously, and I'll keep you updated on the progress of this spinach. It's just regular spinach. It comes from American Seed, by the way, which you can buy those seed packets at any Dollar General or dollar store, I think. Family Dollar sells them too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.